This time on Boosted But Broken, we repaired the beat up old bumper from my 240SX. If you have a low car, then you probably know the struggle of driving on the streets. Damaging your bumper or other undercarriage parts is probably quite familiar, so in this video I'm going to show you how to repair fiberglass panels. You want to start off by removing the top surface layer of either paint or finished fiberglass with a sander or in our case Dremel. This allows the new fiberglass and resin to bond properly with the existing layers. Next, you'll need to mix the resin that will bind the fiberglass together. I mix the resin in a ratio of 2.5 to 1. This gives me plenty of time to work the resin into the fiberglass before it hardens. Now it's mixed, you need to apply a thin coat to the surface before applying the fiberglass and thoroughly coating it in resin. Once it's dry, you will need to use a saw or rotary tool to cut off all of the excess fiberglass. I'm also going to use the rotary tool to shape the fiberglass to the profile of the bumper. You will then need to mix up some filler and start spreading it onto the outside of the bumper where the fiberglass is. It doesn't matter if it's rough because the aim here is just to fill the gaps and can be sanded off later. Lastly, it's just a process of applying filler, sanding and reapplying filler until the surface is smooth and the correct shape. Obviously it still needs to be painted, but I'll save that for another video. If you enjoyed this one, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more content coming soon.
Dude, it's smoking.
Is it smoking? Oh my god, it is. Yeah, let's take that out the side. Oh. Alright, we'll let it go a bit easier on the hardener. That could just spontaneously combust.
Yeah, it's smoking a lot.